What's up? Hey, how you doing?
So the Pride Center is really just about having a space dedicated for the LGBTQ plus community and their allies to feel safe, to feel centered, and to feel seen. A lot of times the students are playing games in there, but it's also you hang out, do your homework.
So we here at the Pride Center focus on bringing the LGBTQ population of the student body here together to form community, but also just togetherness.
So the Pride Center is really just about having a space dedicated for the LGBTQ plus community and their allies to feel safe, to feel centered, and to feel seen. We know that statistically, school is sometimes the safest place or the most comfortable place for the queer community. So we try to make sure that that's available for our students here at Fresno City.
I I love the Pride Center not only for just being around individuals that are the same or we have like-minded individuals, but also um, just due to the fact of the welcoming environment that I feel here at the Pride Center and all of the amazing resources that are unique to like said needs that I may have at that time and it just feels like a more open, safer place. I would say it's pushed me to feel more sociable because like I know when you're coming in here to the Pride Center, like you know who's coming in here and like the expectation is there, like you know the environment.
It's actually really beautiful to watch. Sometimes they're a little hesitant coming in and they just are like, just coming in to see what the space is like. And so, we try our best to make sure that they feel welcomed into the space.
I understand what it meant. The word safe space meant after this because it's like there's no expectation and there's no requirement or anything. And also like you walk in and it's most chill environment, like no pressure, no stiffness.